hookah matter, my lord. As from what I understand, the many hookah matters which are coming before Lordship. I've made a list of judgments, my lord. From 2016 onwards, the same question is kept coming before your
What
lord.
is the question?
Is hookah legal? Is hookah legal? So these are about 8 judgments here, which I have myself obtained, my lord. The how it works, my lord, let me explain. There is a act called the COTP Act, my lord. Now, as per the COTP Act, if you are a restaurant which has 30 seats, you have a smoking area. In that smoking area, people can smoke whatever they choose. Now, a hookah, a pipe, a cigar, these are all different modes of tobacco ingestion, right? The question comes about hookah tobacco. My lord may see in my file, I have put the COTP Act, page 16.
No, where is your permissions first in your
I'll explain. I'll explain.
Please answer to the court first, then I'll listen to your explanation.
Have
you filed your permissions?
My lord,
where are the permissions?
I don't need permissions apart from a trade license, my lord.
Where is the trade license?
I'll explain. My lord, I'm in the process of obtaining a trade license. While so I have, let me just. While so I have
unless
approached,
you have licenses and what is spelled out in the products in the licenses,
no,
you have
my
not
lord,
even
the trade
applied.
license, let me explain. The trade license is only to run a restaurant. I'll explain. That's what I'm saying. The trade license is not to allow people to smoke or not smoke. The COTP Act takes care of that. The trade license is to run a restaurant. The food license is to serve food in a restaurant. The COTP Act deals with the smoking area of the restaurant and what is allowed to be smoked there and not. I've even got some the flavor packets. My lord had asked yesterday on what are the other.
How does it? This court cannot examine what is there in that. Please, it's not required. I didn't ask you to get it. That was not the order. Keep it back.
Just to show, my lord, that these are properly imported. They have, as per Section 8 of the COTP Act, they have the correct warning signs on them. Everything is done above board, my lord, as per law. So once the trade license comes and I have a 30-seater restaurant, I can have a smoking area. Smoking areas are of 2 kinds. One is an open air smoking area. One is if it's closed there, there has to be.
Have you already started?
My lord,
have you already started the center?
No.
Then what is the cost to file this writ petition?
My lord, I have filed because I have approached the police and the police said before you start itself, please go and get a order from court allowing.
No, that was not the directions to get an order from the court.
That is what the police officials have said, my lord.
Matters, no. Forget what they said. Most of the matters they filed, some permissions granted by GHMC, other is the food safety products issued by the government of Telangana, or some Udayam certificate where they have specified what is the nature of business. It says, some says coffee bar, coffee shop,
restaurants.
They have specified the products, but nothing it stated about hookah products. So this court wanted to know what are the hookah products, whether they are fit for consumption.
That is why I am here to explain that as per the act itself.
But as of today, you don't have any cause of action.
My lord, I have approached the police. The police said while you are in the process of obtaining trade license, technically, my lord, I don't need to approach this honorable court. As per
COTP, nobody requested you to approach. After arguing at length, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since there is no cause of action, only the police is asking to get a court order, and there is no need to approach the court.
As per COTP Act, I can continue.
Are not considered to be taken on board. Writ petition dismissed. Why do you say that you don't need to come? Then why you have come to court?
Let me submit, my lord. Let me submit.
I will hear you if you have the certificates.
As long as
there
I
are no
follow
certificates,
COTP Act, as long as I follow COTP Act, I don't need to get permission because I'm following the Act. The problem is the interpretation of the police authorities, my lord. They are interpreting the Act in different ways.
This matter dismissed.
My lord, if you want to have it on Monday, I'll file my trade.
No, please challenge it. If you are agreed by this, challenge it.
Obliged.
Please challenge it.
My lord, 78, 79, 80 also, my lord, same thing.
Same, 78?
79, 80. Same orders may be passed. Obliged. May please, your lordship. First, the present writ petition is filed challenging